This first one is like a very famous song from Mexico, and it's called Cielito Lindo, and it's kind of it's a very joyful and famous song, so I'm sure most of you have heard this song before. And if you haven't, you're here for a treat. Este lunar